Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can block someone on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Here in the right or right here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. As you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to block someone on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on the PS button on your controller. And then once you do that, right here in the bottom, you're gonna find home. Here you're gonna find the PlayStation switcher. Here you're gonna find notifications, game base, music, downloads and uploads, sound, mic, accessories, and lastly here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on game base. And then once you do that, right here you're gonna find your friends. Here you're gonna find parties, messages, and lastly right here you're gonna find Discord. So basically guys, right now go ahead and click on friends. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. So basically guys, here you're gonna find your friend list. Here you're gonna find your online friends and also your offline friends. Right here in the top, you're gonna find the option to search for players. If you click on search for players, you're gonna find some suggested players, and right here you can search for players to add them. So right now, just go ahead and choose the player you want to block. For example, I'm gonna block this one. Just go ahead and click on them, and then right here you're gonna find all of the settings. Here you're gonna find more. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find block. If you want to block them, just click on block, and then you're gonna be able to block the player. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.